So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys facing this error in your Dota 2 game connected to the Dota 2 game coordinator logging in, and if you guys facing this login in problem in your Dota 2, so guys watch this video till end because I'm showing in this video why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys you can watch this video till end, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, firstly you have to look at this graph. The red line is at the up. It means today many people facing this error problem in the Dota 2. So you are not only one today, many people facing this problem in Dota 2 game. So guys, what you have to do? So guys, if this is the server issue and the many people facing this problem in Dota 2, so guys, the Dota 2 team working on fixing the servers of the Dota 2. So guys, you have to wait for some minute or an hour because this is the server issue and it will be automatically solved in some time, in some minute or an hour. So you don't need to do anything because this is the server issue. So you have to wait for some minute or an hour because this problem is automatically solved by the Dota 2 game team. And if you guys having any other problem in the Dota 2, you can comment me and I will solve your problem. And I hope guys you understand what I am saying in this video. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.